Ah, man. Oh, man, I'm so lucky. I, I mean, this puppet just came in the mail. Oh my god, I'm so lucky. I wonder what it can do. What do you mean what I can do? I can actually talk, you know. Oh, wait, what? I am alive, you know. I'm not a puppet, I'm a woman. Oh, okay. So, um, what else can it do? Uh, 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 I'm actually very scared for you. You're very scary looking. Well, I am Mr. Green, and you know, I am clean and I make a scene with my puppet Jean. Well, my name's Chicken Nugget Catherine, not Jean. Oh, you're not Jean? No. I must have ordered the wrong puppet. Oops.